In this video, we will go over the basics of enrolling a new account. To enroll yourself, you can go to doterra.com. Make sure you select your correct region. Click on Login and select Enroll Today at the bottom. This will begin the enrollment process. You will enter the applicable information as you follow the prompts through. Make sure you verify the information on the page before moving forward. The first prompt will ask you to select a preferred language and to select the country of residence from a drop-down. Once those are completed, click on the Continue button at the bottom right of the box. The next prompt will ask you to choose the account type. Read through the details to choose which one works best for you. Make sure you click on the bubble next to the account type you want. Then click Continue at the bottom. This page entitled About You is split into 6 sections. Make sure to fill out and complete everything. Review to make sure it is correct. If everything looks good, click on the Continue at the bottom of the page. If there are any errors in the information provided or any missing information, the page will not let you proceed, and the areas of issue will be noted for correction. If you click the Back button, it will take you back to the very beginning of the enrollment process. Next, it will be the First Order Setup section. This is where you select what items you want as your enrollment order. You must pay the enrollment fee. Add this option to your cart. If you would like, you can add any other products you want to try. Use the search box to find items and add them to your cart. You can remove any items using the red X at the far right. You can click on View Totals as well as select your shipping options. Scroll down and enter your billing information. You can check the box if your mailing address is the same as your billing. When your enrollment order is ready to go, click on Process Order Now and Continue button at the bottom right. Here you will need to enter your credit card information and then click on the button Process Order. Once you have placed your enrollment order, a pop-up will appear confirming your order, listing your new doTERRA ID number, the order number, and giving you the option to proceed to the monthly order setup section. This is where you can decide if you want to start participating in our Loyalty Rewards program. The Loyalty Rewards Program, or LRP, is a monthly doTERRA order that automatically processes. This monthly order can help you qualify for free products, credit points, and other specific commissions and promotions. It is optional, but we encourage all our customers to participate in order to maximize their benefits from orders. If you don't want to, simply click on No, I'm done for now. If you are the enroller and are enrolling the account for the new member, you can just log into your virtual office at mydoterra.com using your ID number and password. Once you are logged in, you can go to Wellness Advocate Services at the top and click on Register a Wellness Advocate. You will then follow the same process described above to enter all the personal information for the account, place the enrollment order, and set up the monthly reoccurring loyalty order. Congratulations on learning how to enroll a new member of doTERRA. Thanks for watching.